Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this time we will be talking about alanine synthesis. So in this video you will be learning about how does our body synthesize this non-essential amino acid called alanine. So what is alanine? Alanine is a non-essential amino acid, meaning our body can make this on its own, and it is known for one letter abbreviation A or three letter code ALA, and alanine has this structure with CH3 as its R group. And alanine is synthesized in the human body mainly through a process called transamination, which is synthesized by the enzyme alanine aminotransferase or ALT. So this is the process of transamination. Before our body make alanine, our cells need pyruvate, which is the end product of glycolysis, and also our cells need nitrogen group, so the cells uses glutamate that stores amino group. Now the cells bring these two in the mitochondria, and so the glutamate and the pyruvate enters the active site of the enzyme alanine aminotransferase, which uses vitamin B6, or specifically known as PLP or pyridoxal phosphate, which acts as a temporary holder. So the glutamate drops its amino group onto vitamin B6 or PLP and transforms into alpha ketoglutarate. So the glutamate will lose its amino group, and then the glutamate will turn into alpha ketoglutarate. And then when the amino group being dropped here, it will be received by alanine. So let's break it down for you to better understand it. So we have here the active site, or the active site of the enzyme alanine aminotransferase, and we have here the pyruvate. And so the pyruvate and the glutamate enters the active site of alanine aminotransferase, and then the enzyme uses vitamin B6 in the form of PLP or pyridoxal phosphate as a temporary holder. So, and then the glutamate drops its amino group in the PLP and leaves as alpha ketoglutarate. And then the pyruvate picks up this amino group from the PLP. So since the amino group is added to the pyruvate transforms directly into alanine, and then the glutamate that loses the amino group turns into alpha ketoglutarate. And that is how the alanine is synthesized in the human body.